Hi everyone and welcome to the Free Range Diva. Today I want to talk to you about a company, Perfect Supplements. There are very few companies with which I am affiliated, but this is one because I have been using their collagen protein powder for over a year and I love it. I love it because of the purity, because of the testing that goes into their manufacturing, and the fact that it's the only glyphosate-free, certified glyphosate-free protein powder on the market. And as you all know, glyphosate is really hard to get rid of. It's ubiquitous. So that's important for me, that if it's something that I'm going to be taking every single day, which I do with collagen, that I want it to be as pure as possible. Well, this weekend, Perfect Supplements is running a special. They are offering my viewers, Free Range Diva viewers, that's you guys, a 15% off coupon for their Perfect Supplements on their site. I believe it's only for the Perfect brand, but I will absolutely check that. But either way, that's the only thing that I've ever used is the Perfect brand. So that is from now until Sunday, and the coupon code is below. It's my regular Diva 10 coupon, but instead of getting 10, you're going to get 15%. And that is on top of any other specials that they may be running this weekend. So for this video, I wanted to talk about a couple more supplements that I've been using. And that's these two right here. In my top five favorite superfoods for beautiful skin video, I talked about acai and the impact that it can have on your skin because it's highly nutritious. It has all the fatty acids you need for strong and healthy skin, and it also is the most antioxidant rich food that we know of so far. I talked about in that video, I'll link it if you haven't seen it, but I talked about the ORAC scale, which measures the antioxidant power of foods, and acai comes in at the very, very top, way above anything else. I also mentioned that we usually get it here frozen, but if you can get it freeze-dried, that's an even better value because it's more concentrated and it's more pure. Enter the Perfect Acai freeze-dried powder. This is 100% organic, certified acai pulp and skin. It is sustainably sourced from the Amazon, and each batch of Perfect's supplements is third-party lab tested for purity. And you can tell in this product in two ways. First of all, because acai naturally has fatty acids in it, once you open this, you want to keep it refrigerated. And the other way that you can tell is by the color. This beautiful, deep, dark, rich berry color. It also has a very fresh berry scent to it. And acai is 100% sugar-free. Now you can take this powder and you can put it in anything, any smoothie, any juice. It has a berry taste. It's a little bit bitter, and it also has a bit of a chocolate flavor in the background. What I have done is I have created a dark chocolate raspberry smoothie using this powder, and I'm going to show that to you right now. The main ingredients in this smoothie are acai powder, frozen raspberries, which are so delicious with chocolate, cocoa powder, frozen banana, oat milk, 1 date, and dark chocolate. Here I'm adding a scoop of vanilla protein powder for the vanilla flavor. You can substitute 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The vanilla will bring out the flavor of the chocolate. In addition to antioxidants, the acai berry has dietary fiber, amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein, omega fatty acids 3, 6, and 9, along with monounsaturated fats, making it a complete nutrition package. This smoothie, with the added dark chocolate, can help the body battle inflammation and oxidation while satisfying your craving for a decadent chocolate raspberry dessert. That chocolate smoothie is to die for. The next fruit that I want to talk to you about is Baobab, and that is what's in this canister right here. This is 100% organic, dried, raw Baobab fruit powder. This is only the pulp, and that is the only ingredient that's in here. Just like with the acai, that's the only thing that's in the acai as well. Perfect really excels with these single ingredient foods. A lot of times in a powder like this, because this is shelf stable, you can leave this on your shelf. A lot of times supplements or foods like this, when they come in this powdered form, they will have anti-clumping agents and preservatives and just all sorts of other stuff in there. But Perfect does not do that. You're only getting, and so you're only paying for the actual product that's in the canister. So I want to tell you a little bit about Baobab because it's new. It was new to me and now it's new to you as well. The Baobab fruit is native to Africa, Arabia, Australia, and Madagascar. Its nutrient profile, it's loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants with potassium, iron, magnesium, zinc, and it has a lot of fiber in the actual pulp of the fruit. The powder, when you get a powdered version like this, it's especially high in vitamin C, B6, niacin, iron, and potassium. So 2 tablespoons of a powder like this typically has about 1 gram of protein, 9 grams of fiber, and over half the recommended daily allowance of vitamin C. And indeed, when you taste this, you can see this is just a basic white powder. This has a very strong citrus flavor. It's not sweet, but anything that you can imagine putting citrus in, this, you can add this to it, like if juices, smoothies, teas, iced tea, you can add a little scoop of this to it and you're bumping up your vitamin C. You're getting a ton of vitamin C. And it's not sweet at all. It's just a strong, really, it tastes really good actually, citrusy flavor. So the fiber in here promotes a feeling of fullness. So it can help you, it can help with weight loss. It also helps with your digestion, and it can help to stabilize and balance your blood sugar. And the antioxidants in here can help to protect cells from oxidative damage, as well as reduce total body chronic inflammation. 2 things that are really, really important as we age and will help us really to just stay healthier. The dried variety of the Baobab fruit is considered to be safe, but of course you're going to want to talk to your doctor if you have any health concerns or questions, or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. And actually you should do that about any supplement that you're going to be adding, or any food that you're going to be adding to your diet. So this particular powdered supplement, it is sourced from South Africa, and it's left in the shell, the fruit is just left out in its entirety to dry, so it dries in its shell. So it's never subjected to heat. It's raw, so it maintains as much of its natural minerals and I didn't even talk to you about the minerals, but yeah, as much of its nutrition as the raw fruit does. It manages to maintain it. And again, it's dried, so it's going to be concentrated. It's also ethically and sustainably sourced. So you can use this, again, like you use the acai in juices, in smoothies, on yogurt. You can even use it and put it in ice cream if you're making ice cream. But what I did, because it's new, I've got 2 smoothies for you today. The first one is I'm going to show you my orange creamsicle breakfast smoothie, and the second one is going to be a chai smoothie. So let's just cut away and do those now. The main ingredients in this smoothie are banana, orange, the Baobab to intensify the citrus flavor, and vanilla. To show you that you don't need a high-speed blender to make a really good smoothie, I'm using my regular Osterizer that I keep around because I prefer the glass carafe for pureeing hot soups. Here we go, full fat, plain yogurt for protein and fat. Then add enough ice cold water to cover. You can also add ice if you like it extra cold. Blend, blend, blend. This one's a little more complex with cashews, warming chai spices, frozen banana, baobab, rooibos tea, and oat milk. Oh, and 1 pitted date. We start with a handful of cashews, preferably raw. To make it extra cold. Whoops. That is dessert. All right, everybody, thank you. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. I'd love it if you subscribed. If you're new, just hit the subscription button and the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. And I usually put up videos every Friday, so you always know you can find me on Fridays. All right, If you have any questions about anything, if you've tried any of Perfect Supplements products before, let me know in the comments below. If you'd like to share your favorite smoothie, please do that in the comments below. I need some inspiration because I have smoothies almost every morning, and I'd love to know what you're loving. Okay, that's going to wrap it up for me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I already said that. Okay, so I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. And until that video, I'm wishing you a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I will talk to you very, very soon. And enjoy these smoothies, and if you decide to participate and get something on sale, let me know. All right, bye everybody.